I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too out there. Oh, baby, you can get.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm just showing you guys my quick breakdown that I did. This is the wig that I will be applying, my 32-inch wig. I have a video on how to bleach the knots on the previous video that I just recently posted. You guys can check that out. I will be removing the lace at the bottom and the clip in the back, as well as the clip in the middle. I don't know why they place clips in the middle. I think that is so annoying and irritating, so I always cut that piece out. So I will be removing that. I'm showing you guys how I, just apply it step by step. It's like a very quick video, and yeah, hope you guys like it. This is the final look on how my hair came out in the event that I went to. I looked it so